Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn with Intellify channel. So did you ever wonder what are the fabrics of your clothes? Maybe you aren't able to answer this question now, but at the end of this article, you will be able to analyze your clothing's fabric. So what is fiber? Fiber is a hair-like strand of material. It is a substance that is extremely long in relation to its width, at least 100 times longer. A fabric is the smallest visible unit of any textile product. The obtained fibers are spun into yarns and then woven into the best fabrics. People wear varied types of fabrics according to the seasons and the festivals. But from where do these fabrics come from? Are the sources of all fabrics same? These are the few questions that will pop up in your mind after learning the definition of fiber. Fabrics are divided into two classes according to their sources: natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Let's elaborate each of them one by one. Natural fibers. These fibers are directly obtained from plants. Bamboo, coconut trees, flax seeds, vegetable fiber, cellulose base, etc. are different sources of plant fibers. For example, cotton clothes, which is suitable to wear during summer. Animals. The animal fibers consist exclusively of proteins and the protective epidermal covering of animals. For example, silk is obtained from silkworm and is used to make clothes like sari, suits, etc. Minerals. In this type of fiber, inorganic substances are converted into clothes. These fibers are mainly fire and acid resistant, that's why they are used for industrial purposes. For example, asbestos. Synthetic fiber, which are the man-made fiber. These fibers are either entirely made up of chemicals or a mixture of chemical and natural fiber. There are different polymers which are joined together by a chemical reaction to form fibers. For example, polyesters are used in clothing, furnishing, and industrial use. Acrylics are used to make hats, socks, jumpers. Nylon are used to make raincoats, parachutes, stockings, and many other synthetic fibers are used to make different clothing materials. We can make our choices from an ample of fibers. Synthetic fibers make our choice range from wide, but there are some advantages of natural fibers over the synthetic fibers which should be taken into an account while choosing fibers. Natural fibers are biodegradable. They have a low specific weight due to which they possess higher strength. They possess good electrical resistance. They are skin friendly and cause no irritation. Their production requires less energy and emits low carbon dioxide. They are cost effective, they possess good thermal and insulating properties. So now you know you can choose the type of fabrics according to the seasons and events. So thank you so much for watching today's video. Make sure to subscribe to Learn with Intellify channel to get to know about such more informative content in the future. Bye and take care.